Wynberg is a well-known industrial area in the Sandton municipality, strategically located alongside the M1 highway and easily accessible using the Grayston and Marlboro Drive interchanges. Monthly levy contributions to the Wynberg Improvement District go towards general maintenance and upkeep of the area. Additional security including 24-hour armed response and controlled access over the weekends. The industrial area is popular due to its close proximity to Sandton CBD and affordable rentals. Warehouses to let in the area range from small to medium in size with quick highway access, a large labour pool and public transport readily available close by. Buildings in the area are well seasoned and have an old school look and feel, the majority of which zoned as industrial. Investors in Wynberg can expect good returns and rental income, while tenants can enjoy competitive rates over a variety of grading choices. For investment or rental information on Wynberg Industrial, contact Anvil Property Smith.